Okay, so I just wanted to walk through with you a couple of the ideas that I've developed for idea 2. This is a cob house, but I've used waste rock in the structure of the footing, in structure of the foundations. Here you can see the footing and the horizontal joist. Waste rock is good because it means that rock that comes from earthquake or disaster countries that suffer from disasters can be used and reused for positive use, and it also looks quite nice on the footing of the home. That was the structure, and here we have the insulation, the pine wood studs, the concrete footing, the horizontal pine wood joists, the sheathing, the flooring, the outer sheathing. I just want to show you few ideas. The main function of this house that I wanted to develop was an ability to be free, be open, ability to allow the user to feel free. Just an open space plan what I wanted to develop. So here I have a sketch of sort of when you come in through the entrance here, up the stairs, and then a balcony here, just so that the user is connected to the 2 floors, so that when people are upstairs, they're downstairs, they feel connected, they feel like they're at one, they feel like they're together. Commonly families can become disjointed, where people stay in their rooms, but this, I tried to stop that, prevent that in some way. From the entrance, I've made a sketch of what the user will see. So the stairs will be on the right, window here, the footing here. The user should be able to see should be able to be in connection with the person downstairs through this sort of design, through the way this is sort of is structured. So let me walk through the floor plans that I've made. This is the first floor. Entrance here, corridor here, open space, big space. That was the aim. So I've shown this through a model. First floor here, and open space. The relationship between the walls. So now the second floor. Second floor here, up the stairs, corridor, open space again, just so that the user feels free. And this is intended to be a balcony. It's not just an enclosed wall, which I've shown here. Be a balcony, open space here, so the user comes through up the stairs, corridor here, and open space. And they'll be able to look down to the bottom floor here. So to show this, that's partly why I've made 2 models, to sort of show what the user would see looking down. The user would be connected to the bottom floor in a sense, because it's so open, because of the open design of the home. That was the intention, that was the aim. Now I've developed a bit of the system of the home. So this is the first floor again, let me get that. But just showing the stud structure of the home. So I've got vertical studs here, with some insulation in the gaps here. To show this in more detail, I've shown what we would order. So this is a 5-panel stud wall. So this can be used in this way, or it can be used as the structure to go over the cob walling, to go on the outside of the cob walling. So we've got panels of 5 here. It would be also wise to order panels of 2, a 2 stud system. and it's wise not to order too many different types of stud combinations, because it creates confusion. It also increases costs, processing times, and you basically need to pay more. We can cut it down, make it simple, and with a 5 and a 2 stud combination you can create many different combinations of stud lengths, and we would need a two stud combination because of the smaller sections of wall. So yeah, by having minimal stud combinations, we're reducing the cost we pay. And that's my explanation of relating the sketches and the models together of Idea 2.